Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to record slow motion videos on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First of all, you're gonna have to open camera on your device, then swipe the modes up from the bottom of your screen and then select the slow motion effect. Now to start recording a slow motion video, you just have to press the circle, the red circle button, and then move your camera along. And basically you don't have to move it, but maybe you know what, instead of moving the camera, let's move some object in front of the camera so we can see what it looks like. Now let's stop the video and let's see the result. And so that's what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.